And go ahead.
All right. So this is the project for the geometry point program. We started by making a class project code so that our main driver program starts initializing variables, and then we prompt the user. So to use the scanner input, we have to create an object, new scanner.system.in. Then we have to prompt the user for each input that they use. It must be a double value, and so the point program allows us to store x coordinates, y coordinates, and the user should be able to store any number, whether positive or negative, and it should be checked by the program uh, if it's inside the rectangle.
Yeah, so with the scanner, we will be able to input a lot of inputs. And for that, to limit those inputs, we have constructed a if condition here, and we've used that to limit the allowable inputs. So we said if x coordinate is less than or equal to 5, and we have used the and condition, and if x variable is a larger, bigger, or equal to -5, and also if y coordinate is less than and equal to 2.5, and if it's greater or equal to -2.5, the system will print that the point is within the rectangle. And if this user input anything else above or below that range, the program will automatically print the message saying that the points are not within the rectangle uh, range. So that makes it
One good
pretty.
example would be like if we had this point uh, x coordinate, we had 2.0 and 2.0, and we tested it. It said it is in the rectangle.
In the rectangle. Like what we just to make sure that program is running, we have used the coordinates from the sample, so to make sure that we get the same exact message. And Jack will test another sample point.
The other point would be 6.0, 4.0.
Yeah, yeah, and it's uh, basically the same output as it's in the sample. And also we can use it like whole numbers. It doesn't have to be 6.0, 4.0. You can, Jack, you can show it in the video that it runs anyways. Yeah, here we go. So this is like a random number. It's not even in the sample, but it's not because the y coordinate is uh, higher than 2.5, this program will show that these points are not within the rectangle. Um, it's pretty much straightforward. We have used a scanner, we have created a class, we have initiated our variables, and all the outputs are uh, as we expected it. So it was a very fun project. Anything you want to add, Jack?
Yeah, I think we had some errors in the beginning, but
Oh, yeah.
we fixed those errors by combining all of them into one simple conditional statement instead of making the program too complex for the task. We
Yeah,
made it into simpler, easier to manage tasks.
yeah. We at first we used a lot of if statements, but then we realized that we can